right now, it's about 3:30. Me, myself and I, no one's in the store right now, and I have a break. And what am I thinking? Rock and roll, living the dream, super excited. Which means at age 73, going on 47, I'm at my peak. You know what it means? I'm at my peak. What I'm going to do right now is share to you why. Banana power. You know what it means? Banana power. Which means this here, banana, look at it. Whoa, that's super exciting. I put some jar powder, that's my chocolate, some dates. Dates is about 70 calories each date. So this banana whip will be about, I don't know, 700 calories, 800 calories. Banana power. So what does that mean to me? It means stay strong and healthy. What does it mean to you? What does it mean to you when you come to my store and you look at me and says, Arnold, I have a major illness. And I said to you, man, I got this special thing for you. Banana power. Now what's the secret? Bananas, dates, and carrots, 700 calories. With no energy on digestion. That means if there's no energy on digestion, there's 75 trillion cells, 24,000 light years, 300 trillion viruses, 60 billion bacteria. No longer have to worry about energy on digestion. It will prioritize what in your body needs to be healed. Banana power. Banana power. You know what that means? Banana power. Rock and roll. The body loves fruit. We're designed to eat fruit. Every cell in my body wants to be in an alkalinity state of 7.4. If it goes to 7.35, we die. So the body's always working hard work. Every time you eat a donut, it's hard work. Every time you eat a cheesesteak, it's hard work. Every time you eat a hamburger, French fries, go on beans, boom, rice, boom, boom, boom. It's hard work. And the body has to work it. So you stay out for 7.4. Unless we eat fruit, then there's no work. Whoa! Look at that. Whoa! How exciting. Look at it. Whoa, this is 100 at 100 calories. Whoa. With no energy on digestion. There's no work. That means the body's mechanized army can meditate and then prioritize what in your body needs attention now. That's the way the body works. That's how we see, that's how we talk, that's how we walk, that's how we move. The body's a mechanized army. There's no accidents. People think it's an accident. People depend on a universal science, I don't know what that means, to heal them. They depend on a medication to heal them. They depend on you can't say that word, no word, where people get boom, 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 can't say that word. I depend on banana power. That's my thing. Staying strong, bananas. Any type of aches and pains, more fruit. When you have aches and pains, it means, what does it mean? Every day people come to me and say, I have some aches, I have some pains. What does that mean? Well, if you're a meat eater, you're eating something called uric acid down in all meat, chicken, vegetarian eggs. That's urine. The 75 trillion cells freak out when they see uric acid coming into the system. Immediately, they try to neutralize it with calcium. It becomes calcium uric crystals. question is, where does it go? Where does it go? Where does calcium be crucified? Every time you eat a hamburger, every time you eat a fish sandwich, every time you eat chicken, when you eat burger, where does it go, man? When you're young, you know, it holds it for a little bit and you burn it up, but as you get older, it goes to your hands. They call that arthritis. It goes to your feet, it's called gout. They go to your waist, it's called little tummy. It goes to your butt, called saggy butt. It goes to your legs, called thunder hip, thunder thighs. It goes, it has to stay someplace because the body doesn't want it inside the system and it cannot get rid of it. So when we're eating a banana whip, that's 600 to 800 calories with no energy on digestion. The body says, whoopee, I'm so happy. Whoopee, I'm so happy. I can get my calories, nutrient rich, caloric rich, with no energy on digestion, and the body will then go where it has to go because there's no energy on digestion. Anyway, that's my little spiel in the morning. Boom, boom, boom. I have no one here. Boom, boom, boom. Stay tuned. Boom, boom, boom. Today's the last day. The last day, I think it's today or tomorrow, of the vegan bundle. Vegan bundle. Look at that. Vegan bundle. Over 60 authors. You want to learn? This is the best way to do it. 60 authors. Shout out to Ronnie, Lisa, Chris, Bear. There's so many people that I have no idea. But this is probably the best thing ever on how to stay rock and roll, live and dream, super excited. Bye.